Hello guys and welcome to the WebVortex channel. Today we are going to learn the easiest way to make notifications on React. The component we are going to use is called React-toastify. Using this amazing component, you can easily make notifications in one line of code. So let's see how it works. First of all, we need to install it from npm, and then we need to initialize it into the project. And the last step is to call it inside the code. So let's see how it works inside the code. Now it's time to install the Toastify on our project. Open the command prompt and use this command. npm install react-toastify. So open the index.js, then use this line of code. Now I'm going to make a function and call the Toastify inside of it. I've started the project to see the result. If this video helped you guys, a like and a subscribe would be phenomenal. Thanks for watching and peace.